In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning presentation using Canva. Whether you're preparing for an important work meeting, a school project, or simply want to showcase your ideas creatively, Canva's tools make it an accessible and enjoyable process. We'll start right at the beginning, ensuring that by the end, you'll be confident in crafting your presentation from scratch or by using the fantastic templates Canva offers. First, head over to your Canva main menu. It's the starting hub where all your design projects live and where your creative journey begins. If you're already familiar with Canva, you know this is where you can revisit any previous designs and get inspired by past achievements. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your account details. Otherwise, just locate the main menu, which should be on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you're in the main menu, direct your attention to the Create button. This is your gateway to a world of design possibilities. Click on Create, and from the drop-down menu, select Presentation. Here you'll find a variety of size options, including the common 16:9 ratio ideal for wide screens, Presentation, Mobile for on-the-go designing, and 4:3 among others. You can also select from a range of attractive free templates if you'd prefer a head start rather than starting from scratch. Choosing an already existing template can save time and give you a professionally designed starting point to build upon your ideas. After you've picked your preferred presentation size or template, it's time to dive into the creative process by selecting Design. This is where you can explore different page templates and layouts. Canva offers an extensive collection designed to meet various needs, from formal business presentations to vibrant, creative styles for informal projects. Each design is pre-configured, allowing you to seamlessly insert your content while ensuring it maintains a polished look. Remember, you can customize these templates to truly make the presentation your own. Alter colors, swap out images, and change text fonts to suit your specific theme or branding. And just like that, you're done. You now have the foundation of a compelling presentation ready to be filled with your creative insights, detailed data, or persuasive arguments. From here, you can continue to personalize each slide, ensuring every part of your presentation speaks directly to your audience and conveys your message effectively. Remember, a well-structured presentation is not just about aesthetics, it's about communication. So make sure your slides are clear, engaging, and aligned to your purpose. Don't hesitate to explore the numerous other resources Canva offers, such as elements, graphics, and multimedia options to enhance your design further. Thank you for tuning into this guide on using Canva to create stunning presentations. With these tools at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!